Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use tabs in Webflow. So let's get started. First, open your project in Webflow. Over here, go to the left hand panel and search for the tab element. After that, click on it to add it to your project. Then go to the right hand panel to access the tab settings. Over here, click on tab 3. Then go to the ease option and choose ease in out. After that, click on show all settings in the right hand panel. Then click on add tab to create more tabs. Over here, you can adjust the layout and presentation. After that, input the necessary attributes for your tabs. Then type in the values for each attribute. Over here, click the settings icon again and select style. Then adjust colors, typography, and design. Then click on the publish button at the top right. Over here, select publish to selected domains. Then close the panel once done. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.